Hello friends, in this video I will show how to remove forcefully a game or application to use GPU and ultimate performance in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this method will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11, both system. Just you have to search graphic settings and open graphic settings, and here you will see a list of applications which are using GPU plus ultimate performance. So select it and just you have to click on remove. And also there are some options like you can select let Windows decide or power saving, or just you have to remove like this. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.